do you use the YouTube search history in incognito mode? So Giuliano asked, just wanted to ask, do we need to disable YouTube history when doing our incognito search for channels for video IDs? So this is a question about niche research. One niche research method is creating a new incognito tab for YouTube and then scrolling to the YouTube feed to see to find channel IDs or channels that are popping off right now. So I never disabled the history thing manually, and if you do incognito, then it should delete your cookie or browser data anyway. So the YouTube algorithm isn't based on what you've been looking for in the history. So I think it's fine to do that without it. Anyone that is still in the niche research phase, I would highly recommend you trying this method and just pick like 30 minutes a day to scroll through YouTube in an incognito tab and look for YouTube automation channels, IDs, and also learn about what thumbnails and what titles are going viral and are trending. Because if you're on the YouTube homepage on an incognito tab, these are the most like trending viral videos, and also probably like chances are high for them to be like the best thumbnails and the best titles, right? So it's a very good way to learn about what works on YouTube. So I would definitely recommend you using this method like at least once or twice a week to just keep on doing research into video IDs, topic IDs, niche IDs, but also into working thumbnails and titles.